Hello and welcome to Microsoft Power Automate tutorials. Today we will learn how to work with business code model by using AI Builder. By using this model, we can automate the process to extract the information from the business codes. If you see on my screen, I'm having a business code with small details over here. If you see over here, the name of the person is Andrew Smith, and you are having designation and the address. Along with that, you are having the email ID and the phone number. This is the sample business code which I have. Now, from these business codes, I need to extract the information by using Power Automate flows. How can I go ahead and do that? We are having a pre-built model inside the AI builder to extract the information from the business code, that is business code reader. So by using this model, we can automate the process to extract the information. How can we go ahead and do that? You can see over here, go straight to the productivity. Under that, I'm having a model called business code reader. So if you see the description, automatically process the business code information. It's a pre-built model which we have as part of the AI builder. By using this model, we can extract the information. So let me click on that. You can use this business code reader inside the flow as well as inside the apps also. And if you see the best practices over here, use the clear images of the business codes. Nothing but whenever you're using this model, you have to upload an image over here to extract the information. And don't use blurry or low resolution images while you are going to extract the data. And the second one, scan one business code at a time. Don't use multiple or complex images at the same time. Okay, these are the do's and don'ts or the best practices which we have whenever you are going to use business code reader. All right, now I'm not going to use any flows over here directly. I will create a new flow and I will show you how to use this business code reader model as part of the extracting the information. Before that, let me show you an Excel over here, what kind of information we are going to store. Now, in my Excel, I'm having a workbook with the name of business code. Inside that, I'm having three columns. One is name, email ID, and the address. So whatever the information that we are going to extract from the business code, I'm going to store this over here. All right. Now let me go back to Power Automate. I'm going to create a new flow by clicking on create. And I'm going to select instant cloud flow. And I'm going to give the name as business code flow. And then I'm going to choose the trigger, manually trigger, and then I'm going to click on create. Now, for this manually trigger, what are the inputs that we are going to give it? We are going to give it images over there, right? So that what I will do, I will add an input over here as a file. I will give the input over here as business code image. All right. Now, the next step is that we have to get the information, right, by using AI builder models. To do that, I'm going to click on new step. And then I'm going to select AI builder. In the AI builder, if you want to extract, if you want to use the business code reader model, select the predict over here. And then you can choose the model over here. Let me select the drop down over here. And you can see over here, business code model. This is the model which we are going to use it. Now, if you see over here, the image type, I want to select the image type in these three formats. One is JPEG format or PNG format or BMP format. Now I will mention it as image/JPEG format. All right. And then I'm going to give the image over here. What is the input over here? That what we got it as an output, that we got it as an input for the manually trigger. That is business code input, right? I'm going to select that image over here as an input over here. Once we have given all the inputs, we will get it as an output as address, email ID, and all the things which are having in the particular code. Okay. Now to store that, what I'm going to use Excel, so that I'm going to add a new step over here. And I'm going to select Excel online business. And I'm going to give the action as add a row into a table. I'm going to select that, and the location and the document library, I'm going to take it as OneDrive because of this file business code is there in my OneDrive. Now I'm going to select the file over here. The file name I'm going to give it as businesscode.xlsx. And if you see over here, I'm having the table 1, and then once I have selected the table, I'm having 3 columns over here which I need to map. Right? You can see for the name, what is the name that we will give it? The output which we got it as part of the business code model, that output I will take it over here. I will take contact first name, I will select that, and the email ID I will map email address, contact email, and the address I will give it as contact full address. These are the 3 fields which I'm going to map it for the Excel to insert the data. Now let me click on save. Now my business card flow is ready to extract the information from the images by using business card model. Now let me test it by clicking on test, and I'm going to select test flow as manually, and then I'm going to click on save and test. Now I'm going to give business card image over here. Let me import an image over here. Now I'm going to select one of the image that I will take one of the image of the JPEG. You can see all these images having JPEG format. All right, let me select one, and then I'm going to click on run flow. Let me click on done. Now my flow has been started executing. Now if you see over here, I got an output over here as Andrew, and it is not extracted the email, and you can see the address over here. And in the same way, I will test one more image. I'm going to import one more image over here, and then I'm going to select another image, and then I'm going to click on run flow. Now if you see over here, I got the information as Michael, and the email ID is so and so. I hope you understand how to work with business card model to extract the information by automating the process from the business card with business card model. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.